Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to do a little repair on the Honda generator here. Something simple. It's fuel line repair. Pulled this out of storage and fuel line's cracked. Let's go over and take a look at it. So after utilizing the generator a while back, I noticed a puddle of fuel underneath it. A little closer inspection, I found that our fuel line here was dry rotted. That's why I put the nice little tag on it. But yeah, it's going to be a simple repair. What we're going to use to fix it with is this kit I got off of eBay. In the kit, you get 5 different sizes of line, and you get all of the clips for each size. I think 2 of the clips are just doubled up. And yeah, so all we're going to do is simply take off the line that's existing on there, measure it out, put a replacement line on there. Okay, with our air cleaner box out of the way, you can see our problem line here. I go ahead and remove this grommet and the flag. And yeah, you can see it just broke right off like that. And that's the problem we were having. And I've chosen the 2 smaller of the fuel lines. And we'll just see which one fits better on to our fittings here. But what I don't want to do is put too small of a hose on here and then have it stretch out like this one was doing to the point of it flaring and cracking and breaking. But this bigger one here actually looks like it'll work. I think we're just going to have some issues with the clamps, so we'll go with the mid-sized one. It's the second from the smallest. The old one did go through part of the shroud here in this little lip, but all we're going to do is measure it up, give us a little bit extra, and then cut it right off. Next thing I'm going to do is pick which clamps work the best in this situation. Once again, I don't want something that's too small. That's going to pinch the line more than it should. And I don't want something that's too big to where it's not going to actually hold any force on there. I could just do what the last person did and put zip ties on it, but since this kit came with these nice rings, we're going to use those. That one probably could... Oh yeah, we're not coming off of there. Even without the clamp, we're not coming off of that. Grommet fits on there nice. Okay, with our top clamp on and our grommet in place, we will put bottom clamp on, slide it onto our carburetor fitting, put our clamp down there, and we're golden. Now let's just throw it back together.